All right, so good morning. Today is April 7th, 2028. Um, yeah, we're bearish. But let's look at the chart. And don't forget to check out Options Arena, LLC Premium, your number one place, stop and shop for alerts for options and futures. Um, this is Trading Notes for today, and as usual, the MESM trades off of the SPX, the S&P 500, SPY, other things follow this, but the orders for today are a little more complex than usual because we have a lot of movement. 5,000 bounce downs with a 15-minute red candle. The next one is 49.50 retracements down from bounce from the 4,900 level. And then lastly, 48.50 retracements from the 4,800 level. So these are green. These are green candles we're looking for on the 15-minute chart. And let's go over some of this. So I'm on an hourly chart. We have the shaft trending up, right? That might change. We have a cross up on the MACD. The mid Bollinger Band is at 49.50. So about right here is 49. I'm sorry, not 49.50, 49.80, which could act as resistance. I apologize for that. 49 resistance or support, because this 50,000 level, we're looking possibly to go above this, but then come right back down from that 50,000. So I'll be looking at that depending on what happens. Looks like there's some squeeze potential in between 49.40 and 5,000. So basically that means that this thing is going to go up or go down outside of this range. And below this range, we have 4,800 that we can possibly bounce that off of. But we'll have to retrace up because, we're in territory that we're kind of like a new territory. Downward though, because we're below this, I don't really have any support or resistance trend lines yet. So we'll have to take a look at that later. Showing some rise potential above 5,100, but we'll see if we get some mega bullishness this morning. That would be above this line right here. But I'm not bullish in between 5,000 and 5,100, which doesn't make sense, right? But because of the volatility that we've experienced for the last couple of days, not trusting bullishness above 5,000 until we get into the 5,100 range, which might be tomorrow if we go that direction. The low was right here. So again, that's why I'm eyeing this level. So I think we might go a little lower. We'll see what this turns into. This could turn into head and shoulders right here. So we'll have to see what that does. And then 4,800 bounces to 5,000. So really the range today could be 4,800 to 5,000, which is an incredible range. That's 200 points. So plenty of room to jump in. No need to go crazy with the entry points. Just wait for it to come to you wherever you're at. 5,200. I wrote that the on the hourly, the 50-day moving average is there. So that's like ultimate res. If we get above 5,100 and it's looking like it's still going, 5,200 might be the stop for today. But we're going to see. I mean, there might be some news that they're waiting on. Calendar-wise, there's nothing going on. The Fed chair One of the feds are talking at 10:30, but I don't know. They might just be speculating on policy or whatever, but it's not Powell. So um, that's all I got for today. We got tariff news. That's nothing new. But for now, we're bearish. We're still looking at going further down. Even though we have some temporary bullishness, these are my orders. Basically, bullish bounces from these levels right here. Looking for those green 15-minute candles, or if you, whatever you're trading on, look out for these. Whatever time frame you're trading on, look out for these levels. And then 5,000, be careful. Look like it's trying to retrace back up. We're still bearish. We're still bearish. So yeah, that's it for today. And happy trading. Be careful out there. Put your stops out. Don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to see. Hopefully we can get in and these orders are successful for today. But again, in my trading, if you don't have it written down or it's not part of the plan, don't trade. That's the safest way to go in this market. And if you do have a plan, have a stop against that just in case you're wrong. But these are the orders for today. Yeah, so let's see.